Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. In this lecture, we will explore global variables in Python, a fundamental concept that plays a crucial role in programming when dealing with the data across multiple functions. By the end of this session, you will have a solid understanding of what global variables are, when to use them, and how they function within Python scope hierarchy. A global variable is a variable that is defined outside of any function, block, or class. Unlike local variables, which are confined to the function, they are defined in global variables. They can be accessed and modified by any part of the program, provided they met certain conditions. They are often used when we want to share data across multiple functions without passing it explicitly as arguments. For example, in real-world applications, a global variable might store a configuration setting or a constant value that is relevant throughout the program. So imagine you are working on a mechanical simulation. You have a constant safety factor that needs to be applied across different calculations, such as stress analysis, torque calculations, and thermal performance evaluations. Instead of defining the safety factor in every single function, you can declare it as a global variable and access it anywhere in the program. Here, key points to remember about global variables are accessible anywhere in the program. They simplify code by reducing the need for repetitive arguments, but they should be used sparingly. Too many global variables can make your code harder to debug and maintain. If you need to modify global variable inside a function, you must explicitly declare it using the global keyword. So these global variables are incredibly useful when a value is truly universal across all the functions, and passing the value repeatedly as an argument would make the program unnecessarily verbose. To understand the use of global keyword, let us go to the VS Code. In this program, as you can see, we have provided global variable safety factor equal to 1.5. Now we want to use this safety factor variable inside both the function, so it is better that we define the safety factor to be the global, and for that within function we will mention global then variable name. We are using this now variable torque equal to force into radius into safety factor. Due to use of this keyword, as you can see, we are reducing the number of arguments required during this calculation also. Same way in the calculate stress function, we are providing the global safety factor so it can be accessed easily as a global variable. Now to run this program, we require different arguments, that is force, radius, load, and area. During the call of function, as you can see, we are just passing two arguments, force and radius, and due to the declaration of the global variable, safety factor can be accessed easily throughout the program. So it will access the value of safety factor to be the 1.5 in both the cases, and it will give us the output for the calculation of torque and stress. Let us run the program to check the output. So here you can see that we are getting the value of torque as well as stress. So I hope you got the idea how to use this global keyword to access the global variable throughout the program. But the one important thing to keep in mind is overusing the global keyword can lead to the unexpected bugs or confusing dependencies. So the key is to strike a balance, use global variables for constants or configuration data, but avoid them for intermediate calculations or temporary values. So in conclusion, global variables are like shared tools in workshop. They are convenient and powerful, but they should be handled carefully to maintain order and efficiency in your code. With this knowledge, you are now better equipped to write Python programs that are efficient and easy to manage. So make use of all the concepts that we have utilized till now, that is the defining functions, scope of variables, and use of global keyword, and it will help you to prepare more solid and understandable code. We will dive deeper into the Python programming in our further session with the concept of modules.